So what's the problem? There are close to 3 million cases of coronavirus and more than 200,000 deaths so far, and the numbers are growing every day. The worst part is there is no cure available. Humanity's only hope is prevention. People should use social distancing, have good hygiene, and use masks in public spaces. These are some ways to prevent this pandemic from infecting and killing more people. So here's the story behind it all. My friends and I are at home in quarantine. One afternoon, we were hanging out on Zoom when we thought we had to do something to help prevent the spread of coronavirus and to give scientists some time to come up with a cure. We brainstormed for hours and started thinking about the problem and the solution. The problem is, put simply, people forget to wear masks in public and forget to wash their hands when they come back home.
So what is HyGenie? HyGenie is a simple, easy-to-use mobile app designed to help you stay healthy and safe during the coronavirus quarantine. Our main innovation is intelligent location-based notifications that make inferences about your location in order to better protect you and keep you healthy and safe. So why are we unique? What is our innovation? Well, first, we provide multiple functionalities within a single app, such as easy access to grocery delivery services, access and instructions for personal protective equipment, and the intelligent notifications that remind you to do things like wear personal protective equipment and wash your hands. We have a simple, elegant user interface so that anybody who uses the app can easily get the information they need, and we can help reach as many people as possible with this information because our app is cross-platform and works on both iOS and Android.
The home and landing pages follow a minimalistic style and are very easy to use. The Tap Anywhere function allows for easy flow to the landing page, which consists of 4 buttons leading to 4 different pages: grocery deliveries, configure location, the personal protection equipment page, and configure settings. This design allows the user to navigate through the app with ease and quickness. Moving on, we have our 3 features. The first is the grocery page, which lists 3 easy-access grocery websites for all the user's needs. Next, we have our personal protection equipment page, aka COVID Essentials, which links to government and health official reviewed websites where the user can learn to make his or her own masks and hand sanitizer, or simply buy some gloves from Amazon. Now comes our main feature, location-based intelligent notifications. With a simple click of a button, the user's home location is set and notifications are configured. For example, when the user walks out of his or her home, after a certain distance, the app will send a notification to put on a mask. Similarly, once the user returns home, the app will send a notification to wash one's hands. These notifications are simple reminders with bigger purposes and intelligent logic behind them.
So some challenges we faced while developing our application included integrating Location API into our product. It was the first time that any of us had really worked with location-based services, so it took us a while to get used to it, but we ended up using Geolocator and Location, the plugins for Dart. They're really helpful, and we ended up using them in our final product. We also had trouble setting up our IDEs and downloading the necessary components to get our project underway. The reason being is it was the first hackathon for many of us, and also it was our first time ever using Flutter in general. So it took us a while to get used to it, and then we had to actually learn how to code in Flutter. So that whole process took a while, but once we got it down, it was a lot of fun to make a cool application, in my opinion. Some future plans we have include hopefully completing our configure settings page to give the user more customization onto how they want their notifications. And hopefully this will allow us to further help our user in these hard times. Obviously, we'd want to market the app in the future so we can actually get these to users and hopefully then they can benefit from all these cool features. And lastly, we'd like to add a lot of more detail to our application, whether it be a cleaner, more intuitive UI, and also just more features that the users can use to hopefully help them. So yeah, we just want to keep working on this app and keep making it better and better.